Zachary Levi disappointed with Johnny Depp and Amber Heard trying to prove each other wrong in court. It's making us less empathetic. The Johnny Depp v. Amber Heard legal dispute came to represent 2022. As the case stretched on, many individuals had a lot to say about the trial, taking sides with either Johnny Depp or Amber Heard. Actor Zachary Levi from Shazam was one of the famous people who publicly expressed their views. It's reasonable to say that the slander trial provided some audience entertainment. Zachary Levi sheds insight on this aspect of the trial by claiming that it significantly reduced people's capacity for empathy. Zachary Levi and the Joe Rogan Experience presenter Joe Rogan came into the subject of the defamation trial, which was made public for the viewers, while appearing on the show. Things on the internet quickly became very ugly as the audience picked their sides. Outside the four walls of the courtroom, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's supporters were slitting necks while they were fighting inside the court. Levi admitted that he was unsure of how he felt about the trial's publicity, and added that he had a secret desire for the drama to not receive as much attention as it did from viewers. Levi describes a time when he reads someone made $60K just by reacting to the trial while discussing who got money by advertising the trial online. The trial, Rogan said in response, was the ideal subject for a reaction video because everybody wants to know what everybody else thinks about it. Levi claimed that, in the end, the trial reduced people's capacity for empathy. He questioned how people could watch a serious case that eventually devolved into a comedy disaster while holding a bucket of popcorn on their laps. Levi was more on Depp's side than Heard's based on the trial's bits and pieces that he had seen. Of course, everyone is free to hold their own views. Levi went on to say, however, that because the trial was receiving so much attention, people lost sight of the fact that Heard and Depp were also and the proceedings became like a circus. While he does have a point considering the diversity of viewpoints that were shared on social media, one can counter that the trial also provided a lot of support for those that needed it. Although the drawbacks may have been more numerous, it is as important to consider the positives. In the real world, there were very significant discussions and arguments occurring throughout the trial. If a portion of the trial had been made public, people would have started working immediately to turn it into a meme. Depp's claim that Heard defecated on his bed during a dispute became one of the trial's most well-known memes. Heard was given the catchy moniker Amber Turd by fans, and it has since stuck.